sunshine! Today is another day and another vlog. So for today's vlog, we'll be doing theme of nature. So I'm gonna be doing green. So let's go!
What's up, sunshine? What's up, sunshine? This is Adeline, your new
Hi,
vlogger.
sunshine! What's up, sunshine? Nakaligo na po ako. Fresh na fresh na. So let's go. Move on to doing the makeup. Let's go. So I'm gonna get started with this MAC Light Full C Tinted Cream SPF 30 with Radiance Booster. So I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna apply it onto my face. Just gonna use my finger. Put that everywhere on my face. Just to protect my face from all the makeup that I'm gonna be using. There you go. Just gonna let it soak in. Next, I'm gonna be using my favorite Too Faced concealer. And I'm gonna be using my eyelid primer by Morphe. So I'm just gonna use my finger again. Just a little. And let's dig into our eyeshadow. And let's get started. Let's go. So I'm gonna be using this green right here and also this one. And I'm also gonna use this for the inner core, which is the gold glitter by e.l.f. I'm gonna be using again the Morphe James Charles palette for this look. Let's go! I'm using this brush. I like to use this first as a base. And I'm gonna be looking on this side because I'm using the mirror. I'm putting the base color to my eyelid so that my eyeshadow will last longer. I'm gonna use this cream for my side here. Nakakangalaya. So I'm gonna put that down and I'm gonna use this mirror so it's closer to my face. I'm using the mirror Sephora. Don't worry when it's messy because you can blend that later on. I've never tried this color before, so yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. Next natin pong color will be this one, which I'm gonna be putting in here. See that empty spot right there? That's where I'm gonna place it. I'm gonna use a lighter color. This is Daddy, and this is Social Blade. I'm using the C brush for this. be using my blending brush by e.l.f. I'm gonna be blending. Siguro po iniisip nyo bakit ito ang pinilit kong kulay, because it matches with my hair, and also as you guys know, my channel, I promote like enjoying nature walks, and yeah, ayan, na-blend na siya, diba? The next is gonna be foundation by MAC. It's C5, and I'm also using this brush by BTLA. There we go. I'm just gonna have this to set my makeup. I'm just putting this around so that my face will not be oily. Have this HD powder that I'm gonna put over here. I'm just gonna set that. And I have my eyebrow gel. Gamit na nga po to. Almost 2 years ko na po siyang ginagamit, and it's still that much. Diba? Halos araw-araw ko nag-makeup. I'm gonna start from here to there. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung salamin ng MAC kaysa dun sa Sephora ko. Next is the other kilay. Ayan. Maganda na ang aking kilay. Diba? Kilay is life. Okay, next is my... Yan, na-bake na po yung aking HD powder. Ikakalat ko na lang po siya. Tapos, I'm gonna use this precision brush here para sa bottom po. Now I'm gonna do the same thing here. Yeah. Tapos, the other color. Next would be e.l.f. 24K Gold. I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner. Ayan. Nakmatag na po siya. Diba? Nag-pop up na yung mata ko. Diba? Nag-pop up na po yung mata ko. Ang ganda na po siya. Tapos, I'm gonna be using the Morphe eyeliner. I like starting from middle outwards. Tapos paunti-unti lang. And then, you start, just look over there. Yung dulo po ng kilay, dapat dun po yung point ng inyong eyeliner. Konti-konti lang para di ka magulat na masyado ng mahaba. Oh, diba? Put the inside too. Doing the same thing here. Ayan. Pantay na po. Tapos, I'm gonna use the MAC mascara. Last time, ginawa ko po to. This is how I do my eyelashes. So, inaano ko po sa dito muna. Tapos, pagkaakyat ko, lalagay ko ulit siya sa ibabaw naman. I put it on top of my eyelashes and then I just twirl it. I get all the eyelashes. I bring it up and then I put the mascara on top of my lashes and I roll it up. Medyo natutuyo na ang aking mascara. I'm gonna get more. Nauubos na po siya. Ayan, parang mahaba na po siya. I don't use curler because I'm scared of them. Not only that I'm scared of them, I just don't like to use it. Dahil paubos na po talaga. I'm gonna be using my mascara, Lengthen Volume Mascara by e.l.f. There you go. Dahil ubos na po talaga yung aking MAC. Do the same thing. I bring it up. All my eyelashes up. Hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggan. Makapal na po siyang tingnan. I'm gonna be using e.l.f. the bronzer palette. That's that one po. I'm gonna be just using this color. We'll see. Para hindi masyado makapal. Tapos dito, para mas mukhang natural po. Hindi masyado makintab ang ating noo. Na parang eroplanuhan. Landingan ng eroplano. Ayan. Siyempre, lalagyan natin dito para medyo pumayat tayo ng tignan. Diba? Maybe I'm gonna use this one for here. The little dark. Ayan. O, diba? Mukha na tayo medyo payat. Oh. Diba po? Mukha na tayo medyo pumayat ng onte. Tapos, next is the blush on. So I'm gonna be using MAC Blush On Pinch Me. Then I'm gonna use this brush. And I'm gonna use e.l.f. by e.l.f. by Heart Defensor. And it goes like that. It's coffee and cream. I'm gonna be using this one right here. Ooh, look at that. Shine like a diamond. Oh, diba? I'm also gonna put some in here. There. Do the lipstick. Next is na-open ko na rin ang aking Vice Ganda lipstick, and this is Pink Bacamo. Yan, hindi po to Bacamo naman. Hindi po to sponsor. Lahat po ng makeup ko is hindi sponsor. Mabango siya. Wala siyang chemical smell. Mabango po siya. Ayan. Good Vice matte lipstick. Mabango siya. Parang amoy chocolate. Parang tayong puno. Di ba po? Green na green na. Sana na-enjoy niyo po itong video. And please comment down below if you want me to do anything else na makeup. And yan, nagtagalog na po ako this time. And this is our after look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment down below, and share this video so that you can help your girl out, and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, please do subscribe into my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, spread love, and God bless. Mwah. Bye! See you on my next vlog.